So today let's do my makeup together without ring light or filter. Let's see how it will turn out. So you can see my face is filtered free and I'm using natural light. All you are seeing is my natural color. Let's see how so it will I'll be using out. No foundation in this makeup. So I'm using my concealer now to conceal my T-zone. That includes my forehead, my under eye, my nose, and my jaw. So what that is, I have to blend it in with using my beauty blender. So after blending the concealer, I have to use my pressing powder to bake my concealer. After which I went in with my contour. It's always good to go in with your brow gel before applying your eye pencil. It makes it come out well. That's what I'm doing now. So now is the time for me to apply my eyeshadow, and I'm using the brown color because it makes my face to pop out well. After which I will go in with the darker one to conceal the edges of it. I like using the lighter one to highlight the top of my eyeshadow because it makes my face to pop out well. As you can see, our makeup is gradually coming out together, and I'm so glad that I made this video. Now is the time for me to apply my eyeliner. So I have to go in with a very thin line. The color you use to underline your under eye will determine how your makeup will pop out at the end. So I choose blue for a reason because I will also use it to underline my mouth. Now is the time for me to underline my mouth. As you can see, it really came out well and I haven't applied my lip gloss yet. I also like using white pressing powder to highlight my T-zone. It makes my face to have this glow. And dusting out the excess is really important. You have to do this, otherwise you will have a rough finish. Since I have full brows, what I like to do is to use my eye pencil to fill in the excess space in between, so it will have this natural look. After which I use my skin toned concealer to highlight the edges of it to have this natural look. I don't like using sharp color so that it will look more natural and simple. So if you are still watching to this extent, remember to like, comment, and share this video to your friends and family. It will help my page a lot. Now is the time to apply my lip gloss, and I'm using nude color for this, and it came out really nice. I like the outcome of it. So I'll be using my nude brush to highlight my face to give it that glow. After which I use my finishing powder to set my face and apply my finishing spray, and it came out well. See how it's looking, and I'm glad it came out well. Can you guys see that? It's so nice, so natural. So if you are wondering how your own will look like, give it a try and see how it will turn out. And I love and appreciate you guys for watching. Love you all. Bye.